Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here again, and it's Friday the 15th of May. Welcome to our Golden Ticket Assembly and our shout outs for all of you who are still working superbly at home. Thank you everyone. Obviously this morning we're ready for Nursery, Reception Year 1 and Year 2. We're going to start off this morning with our Nursery Superstars, and you'll see Miss Wright's picked some amazing children this morning. We've got Charlotte, we've got Keely, we've got Matilda, Rudy, Esme, Ava, Emily, Elizabeth, Lily, Harley and Mason. All of these children working superbly and brilliantly at home. All different activities, from doing their pencil control, which is fantastic there. You'll see Keely's there in the garden as well, really doing some planting and things. So lots and lots of different activities going on throughout. So please do keep that up, nursery children. It's fantastic to see how independent all of you are and becoming. So please do keep that up. That's right, it's Golden Ticket winner though for Nursery goes to Willow! Well done Willow, you little superstar. Amazing smiley face there, just really makes me smile and laugh. That's fantastic to see. You're working so hard there. See you doing your colouring there, so please keep it up. I know Miss Wright's been so impressed how independent you are, so please look out. This Golden Ticket will be coming to you very shortly. Huge congratulations Willow, well done hun. Keep up the amazing work. Good girl, well done. In reception, we've got, you'll see, look at these amazing workers, and you'll see throughout in Turtle Class, you've got Tasmin, Bartos, Sophie, you've got Denelius, Noah, Gracie May, Beatrix, Rebecca, Rayleigh and Alita, all working so hard in Turtle Class. You can see them throughout all the different activities. They're doing their maths, they're petitioning, they're out as well for their walks, enjoying the sunshine. So please do keep up. Lots and lots of smiley faces. The Turtle Golden Ticket goes to Rebecca. Well done, Rebecca, you little superstar. Look at that, fantastic, magicking up some really magical times there at home. Fantastic amount of work that you are doing, so please do keep that up. Look out for this Golden Ticket, you little superstar. It's winging its way to you in the post. Fantastic, keep up posting on Tapestry, you little superstar. Huge congratulations, well done. Moving on, we've got Miss Hall superstar. She's picked loads of superstars. She's got so many to choose from. She's got Olivia, she's got Woody, Scarlett, Savannah, Eliza, Ethan, Freddie, Casey May, Orson, Lola, Logan and Judah. All of you working extremely hard. You see throughout all of the activities that you guys are doing. Superb. Freddie, loving that smile, buddy. It's really making me smile as well. So fantastic, guys. That is so much work. And I know Miss Hall was so impressed with every single one of you. Please do keep that up, guys. It's fantastic to see. But Miss Hall's Golden Ticket goes to this week. See, Alex, you superstar. Well done, hun. Fantastic. You see there, beaving away. See, lovely there. You've used your little figures there to make your 9, your 7 and your 2. It's brilliant math. So well done, hun. Really brilliant to see. Working so hard every single day. Really well deserved. Look out for this winging in the way. In the post to you very shortly. Well done, Alex. Moving on to Year 1, Miss Ruffle superstar. You'll see again. Miss Ruffle's got masses of superstars. You'll see them. You've got Maisie, Cece, Sky, Jordan, Ruby, Omo, Cooper, Levi, Tyler, Luca, Muntaha and Rebecca. All working really hard. All getting lots and lots of exercise. Luca's getting some real serious airtime there. You see him on his trampoline. Levi there waving the flag for the VE Day 75th anniversary. So well done, guys. Please do keep up all that amazing work. It's lovely to see. Even Sky there with a lovely sort of fruit kebab there. So fantastic superstars. But obviously, Miss Ruffle's Golden Ticket this week goes to Rosie. Superb, Rosie. Fantastic. I love your rainbow there and the smiley face. Huge congratulations, Rosie. Really well done. Posting so much on Tapestry, getting so much work done. Fantastic. Look out for this, winging its way in the post to you very shortly. Well done, hun. Brilliant. Moving on. Miss Begum. Again, look at Miss Begum. Look at all these superstars. Amazing work going on from Robbie, Rowdy, Perla, Esma, Casper, Gabby, Mia May, Lee, Lily, Rosie, Rion and George, all working so hard. I see George has got a nice snack there as well. He's got his grapes ready as well for when he's a bit peckish. Amazing work, guys, fantastic. Rosie looking like she's having a little bit of a walk with Plantation Gardens there. That's get outside, really enjoy the outside, really enjoy the sunshine. Lovely, lovely to see. And a really lovely thank you there from Lee from Marcos Primary School. We miss you. We miss you too, Lee. We really do. But Miss Begum's golden ticket this week goes to Jacob! Well done, Jacob, you little superstar. I know you've been working so hard. Fantastic, buddy, doing your writing there. Huge congratulations. Look out for this, winging its way in the post to you. It's really, really well deserved, buddy, so well done. Fantastic, Jacob. Great work. Keep it up. Moving on to year 2. Look at these superstars. Now, Miss Hopkins has got Regan, Eric, Joseph, Lexi, Lola, Jessica, Christopher, May, Millie, Mia, Pandora, and Eva. Working so hard, getting your exercise, doing your writing, doing your reading, lots of maths going on there as well throughout. Lots of you as well posting in your school uniforms as well, like Millie up in the top corner. It's lovely to see you guys in your school uniform and doing your schoolwork in your school uniform. Keep posting on Tapestry. Keep up the amazing, amazing work. And I know Miss Hopkins is really, really impressed with every single one of you, so keep it up, guys. And Miss Hopkins' golden ticket goes to Savannah! Yes, Savannah, well done. You got your tooth out as well, bless you there. Hopefully that tooth fairy came. Do look out for this. It was lovely to see you at the gate, obviously last week when we gave you a shout out, but brilliant. You have been working so hard. Thank you, hun. An amazing amount of reading as well. This is so well deserved. Look out for this in the post. You little superstar. Really, really well deserved. Well done, Savannah. Brilliant effort. Keep it up, hun. Moving on, you've got Mrs. Cooks now. Mrs. Cook got loads of superstars as well this morning. You've got Abe there, doing a bit of levitation. Look at it, you can't even see his legs. Look at it, such a jump there. Ruby, Willow, Tilly, Diego helping out the gun, Alea. Cleo there, being a nurse, all dressed up in her PPE, I think you'll see. Marshall and Thea, all working so hard. I know Mrs. Cook has been so impressed with every single one of you. So well done, guys. Please do keep that up and keep up the amazing work. Golden ticket goes to, this week, Marshall, you superstar, Marshall. Amazing amount of work going on for Marshall. Lots of tree climbing as well, apparently, but so keep that up. Get your exercise in as well. Really good for our mental health and keeping as well. But you've been working so hard, Marshall, on everything. Your writing, your maths, your reading. Fantastic. Look out for this winging its way in the post to you. Absolute superstar. It will be coming very shortly. Well done, Marshall. Really proud of you, buddy. Finally, it just leaves me to say, final message, obviously, you are all brilliant. You absolutely are. Thank you to every single one of you. The message still is, please stay safe, stay in and stay well. We will let you know when we are opening. Please, I've sent a message out to everyone stating that. When it is safe for all of us, for your children, for yourselves, for all of the staff, for all of the teachers, to be in school, we will be opening school to more children. Please wait for that message from us. Until it is safe for all of us to be back, or some of us even to be back, that's when we will be opening school. But we will be the ones letting you know. So please do stay safe, everyone. Stay in and keep posting on Tapestry. Bye-bye for now.